Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Audio-Technica Turntable to Edifier speakers in 2026. So first of all, you need to take a look at your turntables. Most of the Audio-Technica models have a phono/line switch on the back. So you need to set it to line if you are connecting directly to powered Edifier speakers. It is important because it uses the built-in preamp. So you need to take the RCA cable, and here this particular cable came with your turntable. Then you need to plug the red and the white cables into the turntable output. Then connect the other end to the RCA input on your Edifier speakers. Just make sure that the connections are firm. Now after this connection, you just have to turn both the devices. Then you can use the speaker controls or remote to select the correct input source, usually labeled as line or aux. Now you can play a record and check if the audio is coming through. You can also adjust the volume levels on both the devices, start low and increase gradually to avoid any kind of distortions. You can also fine tune the bass and treble depending on your setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.